I'm here with Atsushi. Hey, where are you going?
Oh.
Today we're going on a date to this pumpkin patch and I'm super excited. Let's go! So if there's one thing I learned while filming this video, it's that apparently I cannot record audio while using my selfie stick on my phone, which is what I was using to record with. So basically I lost pretty much all the audio for this video, which is a shame because Atsushi said some pretty funny things as always, and unfortunately you won't be able to hear them, which is why I'm doing this voiceover right now. I was just letting you guys know that it was really cold that day that we went to the pumpkin patch. Way too cold for the month of October in my opinion. It was actually 2 degrees Celsius, which is about 35 degrees Fahrenheit. And yeah, I just thought it was way too cold, especially before Halloween. So I was vlogging on my phone, but my battery died, so we're literally waiting for my phone to charge now. Thanks, Atsushi.
Why you didn't bring portable charger?
Because my portable chargers aren't charged.
Oh.
So about after 15 minutes, my phone was back to 30% and I was back to vlogging. Right after that, I wanted to go take some pictures with the corn seeds. I completely forgot that Atsushi has this phobia, which I cannot pronounce, so I'm going to insert it right here. It's an irrational fear of irregular patterns or a cluster of small holes. So seeing all these corn seeds together wasn't the best thing for Atsushi. I'm really sorry, Atsushi. So I ended up taking some pictures alone because Atsushi did not really want to look at all the corn seeds, which I totally get. But it's okay because afterwards we went back to doing some fun stuff together. already tried this zombie frappuccino yesterday, but Sushi hasn't tried it yet, so... It's good. It's sweet. not too sweet for you though?
It's okay. It's not too sweet.
It's green apple, and then the blood is actually dark chocolate mocha, and then this is just raspberry whip, I think. I can't tell if it's raspberry or strawberry.
I like it.
Oh, it's so good. I really like this. I'm so glad they still had it. I was so scared they were out of it. Does it look like a zombie? Brain
Kind of that.
and blood. Are you scared? The first Starbucks we went to actually was sold out. I'm so glad this one had it. As always, thank you so much for watching. Remember to give this video a like if you enjoyed watching it. Subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and I'll see you in my next video. Au revoir!